As you look at something across the room, go ahead and take in a nice deep breath, centering yourself and coming into this moment. And as you exhale, breathe out nice and slow, taking in another deep breath. And with your next incredibly slow exhale, allow your eyes to close nice and gentle. And then just allow yourself to breathe in and breathe out, relaxing, coming into this moment, bringing your focus to here, right now, listening to my voice. Now you've decided that it's time to make your transition from the male body you were born into the female body that is supposed to be yours. And it's time to honor that, and this visualization will support that. So I'd like you to imagine that there is a movie screen in front of you. And on this movie screen, I want you to see yourself as a male, living your life as a male, and continuing to live your life as a male for the rest of your life. For whatever reason, out of fear of what others would think or say, out of fear of letting others down, whatever your reason would be to prevent yourself from transitioning, see yourself living the rest of your life as a male. And notice the emotion this brings up for you. Feel the disappointment, the heartache, the pain of living out your life as a male. Feel that in your body, in your heart, in your mind. And now I want you to erase that picture. You can either swipe it to the left or to the right. You can erase it. You can black it out. You can break it. You can shrink it down really small and then blow it away into outer space with your exhaling breath. Whatever you want to do, just destroy that image now. Very well. Now on that movie screen, now see yourself fully transition to the woman you are meant to be. Notice how incredible you look and how amazing you feel. See yourself surrounded by loving and supportive people who accept you and celebrate you. See the steps of your journey and feel the excitement as it builds within, with each action you take that brings you to living full-time as a woman. Engage all of your senses. What are you wearing? How do you look? Who's there with you? What are you saying? Are you smiling? Are you laughing? Do you feel surrounded by love? Is love and bliss flowing within you? Make this picture, this movie, bigger, brighter, louder. Make it very clear, very sharp. Really see it. Feel it, embrace it, and know that this future is possible for you. Take it all in. See all the colors. Feel all the love and support. Feel the bliss you have in your heart. And now set the intention for this or something better. Returning your focus back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Seeing what is possible for you, knowing that's your truth, that's your destiny. Breathing in, breathing out. You are worthy, you are enough, and you matter. You're lovable, you're worthy of love and the life that you want. And with your next exhale, go ahead and open your eyes, feeling full of life, courage, confidence to be yourself. This is Steph. Thank you so much for being here with me today, for taking this moment for yourself. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if it feels right, check out my MTF transition hypnosis program. The link is in the description, and I am sending you endless love. Until next time.